Hey guys, it's Paul here today, and today we are going to be looking at simplifying fractions. Woo! I know you all love fractions, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing today. I know sometimes when some of you see fractions, you get all scared and stuff, but there's no need to be scared, man. Don't worry, because I'm here, and I'm here to help you and to solve your problems. Okay, so simplifying fractions, let's go. So the first thing we're going to look at, I'm going to write down a fraction. I'm going to write down a fraction 2 over 6. Okay, so I'm writing down fraction 2 over 6, and we want to simplify it. So basically we want to make the fraction, we want to bring it down to its smallest form. Okay, we want to bring down the fraction to its smallest form. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. We're going to find a number that goes into both 2 and 6. What number goes into both 2 and 6? So let's make a list of those numbers. We can make it down here. So numbers that go into both 2 and 6, let's see, we got 1, we got 2, and that's it. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to take the biggest number that goes into both 2 and 6, which is 2. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to say how many 2's go into 2? 1. And how many 2's go into 6? 3. Lovely. We have now simplified 2 over 6 to 1 over 3 in its simplest form, and we cannot simplify that any further. Okay, beautiful. Let's look at another example. Another example we're going to look at is, let's have 10 over 15. Okay, so we've got 10 over 15 and we want to simplify it. So we need to think of a number that goes into both 10 and 15. Well, let's make a note of those numbers down on the side. So we've got 1, we got 5. Is there any other number that goes into 10 and 15? No! The biggest number that goes to both 10 and 15 is 5. So we're going to circle that. Lovely. Now we're going to say how many 5's go into 10, which is 2. And how many 5's go into 15, which is 3. Beautiful. We have simplified 10 over 15 to 2 over 3, and we cannot simplify this any further. Okay, I hope you're getting the gist of it, guys. Now we're going to look at another example. Let's have 9 over, let's say, 36. Okay, again, we need to think of a number that goes into both 9 and 36. So we can list down the factors of 9 and 36, so the numbers that go into both 9 and 36. So we've got 1, we've got 3, we've got 9, and that's it. Only 1, 3, and 9, and the biggest out of all those numbers is 9. Okay, so we're going to say how many 9's go into 9? 1. And how many 9's go into 36? 4. Okay, so we've simplified 9 over 36 to 1 over 4. Okay, so simplifying fractions isn't too bad. It's actually quite easy. So again, what you need to do is you've got your two numbers there. You've got 9 and 36. You need to think of a number that goes into both of them. So that's where we made our list. We made our list of numbers here, 1, 3, and 9, and then we pick the biggest number that goes into them. We pick the biggest number that goes into both 9 and 36, which was 9. Okay, then we divide both of those numbers by 9 and say how many 9's go into 9? 1. How many 9's go into 36? 4. Okay, so let's have a go at one more example. So let's say we've got let's have 21 over 49. So we need to think of both a number that goes into both 21 and 49. Oh, sorry, I don't know what I'm doing there. So we need to think of a number that goes into both 21 and 49. So we can make a list of numbers that go into both of them. So we've got 1 is our first number. Well, that's supposed to be a 1. Don't know why it's come out like that. That's supposed to be a 1 there. We've got, let's see, does 3 go into it? Nope, 3 does not go into it. What about 4? No, 4. No, 5, 6, 7. 7 goes into it. Lovely. Is there any other big number? I don't think so. That goes into both 21 and 49. Nope. So 7's the biggest number. So now we're going to say how many 7s go into 21, which is 3, and how many 7s go into 49, which is 7. Okay, so we've simplified 21 over 49 to 3 over 7. Okay, and this cannot be simplified any further. Beautiful, guys. So that was simplifying fractions. It's very, very easy. I told you. Have a good day.